Hey, it's Samantha.
Kadesha.
Sandy.
And we're back with another insightful episode on the Deeper Than Tech podcast, where we talk about how to progress in your career in an industry that was not designed with us in mind. Make sure you share this podcast with a friend or a coworker. And don't forget to grab a snack because you're going to need something to eat to go along with all this tea.
Okay, so we have the last question is, do you have any side hustles?
This podcast, duh. Yeah.
Hey, this podcast.
What? Y'all gonna help us out, just follow us, like us, everything.
Yeah. Podcasting. One of the things I plan to start this year is a blog, like a technical blog for new developers. So I'm currently working on it. So that's coming soon, and I plan to utilize like Google AdSense to plug it in and go from there.
Yes, we love to hear it.
We love some money.
I love it. I love money.
Yeah, money's good. Sandy, do you have any side hustles?
Well, I also do like have an Instagram account where I do have like some beginner friendly content. Right now I'm just having engaging reels, but I do plan on having like engaging posts that can cover the beginning aspect of an engineer and day-to-day struggles that we go through and advice and tips and tricks and things like that. So that is something that's currently in the works, and I hope to get to it by like August. I also have a TikTok where I do the same thing. So Instagram is not your speed. You can find me on TikTok as well. You, Samantha?
Yeah, I think it's also important to note that just because you're an engineer doesn't mean that you have to have the side hustle. I think there is this like side hustle mentality that is put onto us that is not required. Like if you want to just go home, watch TV all day,
not required.
That is A-okay. For me, I do the Instagram just like my two fellow podcast hosts here, but I also want to eventually become my own boss. Like, ain't working for nobody else, creating my own value. And so I am. That will one day be my side hustle. I'm a little slow because I do value like time and I want to focus on traveling and relationships, but that is always in the back of my mind. So slowly but surely I will be getting there, and hopefully you can see some progress on my YouTube channel.
Nice.
So, yes.
Nice.
Nice.